6. Good morning. Good morning. We're up early today. We're gonna get the windshield replaced. So they quoted me around $185. I think that's a good price compared to what other places charge me. Other places charge me around like $300 to $235 for everything. So that wasn't the price for me. So quick background. I had an appointment for last Saturday for like mobile service. It was gonna be around 2:35, and they said they're gonna come around 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. So literally, I woke up earlier than that. I was waiting in my room, but like my house is like quiet, so like you'd be able to hear like a knock or a doorbell. So I was waiting. Then it's been like hours later, and that like nothing. I haven't heard nothing from them. So I called them. I was like, hey, so I had an appointment today, and I was wondering if they're still coming or are they gonna show up or anything. And then they're telling me like, oh sir, the guy came but nobody answered or rang the doorbell or answered the doorbell. And I was like, okay, I've been here the whole time. I didn't hear anything. So basically, they didn't even show up. Like I was waiting outside my house. I was looking out the window. Nothing. So basically, straight away, I went to Yelp, gave them a 1-star review. And then later on, like I actually looked at the reviews, and they're like a 3-star, and people were saying like bad reviews about them. So right now I'm at I Pick You Pool. I Pick You Pool. I think this was the old Pick and Pool, but I think they changed it to I Pick You Pool. Anyways, this is where we're getting the windshield fixed. Check them out. Pretty good pricing. Low cost auto glass. Pretty good. They do window tinting, and if you want to refix your windshield, they do like sun strips too, so you don't get like sun and stuff in your thing. Geo over there. Yeah, let that man do his work. We'll get back to you when the process is finished. So they just finished the windshield.
The next day.
What up, YouTube? It's the next day. So here's how the window came out. Pretty clean, pretty clear. Way better than before. Did a pretty good job. They didn't leave any glass behind. Pretty clear. Way better than before. So it's been one day, and they said we could take off the tape. So start doing that. Let me put the camera down and get this tape up. Just like that, fresh window. I had to wipe down the window because the neighbors have cats and there was like cat prints. Windex does the job, and a microfiber towel.
The next day.
What up, YouTube? So I got something for the TL, and I wasn't expecting to get this, but it was a random pickup, and I got it for a really good price. Are you guys ready to see it? Let's go see. Picked up some new wheels. big ones. Got these for steel too. Got the other 2 pairs in the back seat. With that being said, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know this video was kind of all over the place, but I figured it would be more content like if I were to post one day and the next day and the next day. Because like I'm a normal person. I go to work, come home, rest, you know. My life is not so exciting unless there's something going on like a meet or if I get like a new part or something like that. But next video, we're gonna test fit these wheels, see how they look on the car, and hopefully get some nice rollers or pictures of it. And basically that's it. And if you guys haven't checked out my recent video, please do so. I did some cinematics, first time by myself. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe, support City US 6.